There's only one snack here at the Panda Research Institute, and it's this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. This is Panda Chocolates, and these were sent to me by a viewer, so really cool. Meiji! That's who they're by. 8 bags, huh? The old bag. And I have never seen these before, and they are some sort of little chocolatey treats here. 110 calories per serving. Oh, and a serving size is 1 bag, so that's pretty generous. It's actually got a nice little dispenser type of design to it, so I can kind of lift off the top like this. And now we have individual bags in here. Kind of remind me of little Teddy Graham bags or something, but let's see what they're like, because they've got to be the official snack of the PRI. And as you can see here, it kind of looks like a little cinnamon roll. It smells pretty chocolatey, and that's really good. It's got this light, flaky, crusty outside, which tastes a little bit like a cookie. Tastes a little bit like a graham cracker, somewhere in between there. And as you can see, it's pretty thin. But then it has a soft, chocolatey center, which has basically the same consistency as Nutella, which, if you haven't had that, has the same consistency of peanut butter. But it's chocolatey. And it kind of reminds me of Nutella. And as you can see there on the top, we have little pandas. Why wouldn't we? I don't think you're supposed to bite into these and share them like this, but I needed you to see the inside. It's research, which is why we call it the Panda Research Institute. So this literally is what we should be spending our time on. That's why I continue to eat these, because basically my job. These are delicious. 110 calories for, I don't know, 15 of these little snacks, little bite-sized snacks. They are pretty delicious. And I guess in the lunchroom now, this is the only thing that's going to be served in the vending machines. Hey, if you want to pick up Panda chocolates, I'll put a link to these in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter. Peter Von Panda. Peter Von Panda.
I feel like I work at a big tech company and I get free, delicious gourmet food because someone else paid for these. That's why.